Sahuarita, Arizona, is a relatively small town in the southern part of the state, just 50 miles north of the Mexican border and 15 miles south of Tucson. This town was incorporated in 1994 and is considered as one of the youngest communities in the state. The region around Sahuarita is known for its picturesque landscape, featuring lush, rolling hills and mountains covered with saguaro cactus. This environment offers abundant opportunities for scenic hikes, off-roading adventures, and is dotted with roads twinged with wildflowers, making it an ideal spot for outdoor enthusiasts. The geography of Sahuarita includes the Santa Cruz River and Madera Canyon, offering scenic beauty and outdoor activities, although water availability is a pressing issue. The town has grown significantly, expanding its area in the last 20 years. Today, the population of Sahuarita is about 36,000 residents. The earliest known inhabitants were the Hohokam people, who were recognized for their advanced irrigation techniques and peaceful nature, with trade routes extending to Mesoamerica. Later, the Sobaipuri people, possibly related to the Hohokam, inhabited the area. Spanish and Mexican influences prevailed until the Gadsden Purchase in 1853, when the region became part of the United States. The median household income in Sahuarita is about $90,000. The median home price in this town is $325,000, while median rent is about $1,900 a month. Crime rate is low, and Sahuarita is considered one of the safest places to live in Arizona. There are many young specialists who live in this town and commute to work in Tucson. Sahuarita has Arizonian hot and arid weather, with 320 sunshine days throughout the year, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts eager to engage in hiking, cycling, or enjoying a round of golf at the lush courses in neighboring Green Valley. Summer temperatures hover around 93 degrees Fahrenheit, occasionally soaring above 100, while winter offers a gentle climate with temperatures fluctuating between the 40s and 60s. The town's commitment to celestial displays restricts nighttime street lighting, offering residents a pristine stargazing experience. A local astronomy aficionado in Madera Estates even indulges in this pastime through his high-powered telescopes, a luxury few around the globe can claim, aligning perfectly with the town's stellar views. One of the local attractions include the Titan Missile Museum, which provides a rare peek into the historical tensions of the Cold War, showcasing the technological rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union. Nestled within a retired Titan II missile silo, one of the 54 operated by the US, this museum allows visitors to explore the Launch Control Center, view the original missile, and discover the routines of the crew members who operated the station. Historical events include the founding of the Continental Farm in 1915, efforts to grow rubber plants during World War I, and the establishment of the Sahuarita airstrip, which served as a training ground for bomber pilots during World War II. Post-war, the farm switched to cotton and then to pecan trees, becoming the world's largest pecan orchard. In terms of economy, the region has been shaped by its agricultural past, but today it contends with water sustainability challenges, with a significant portion of water used for mining and agriculture, and concerns about the declining water table. Sahuarita is considered a good place to live due to a combination of factors including affordability, safety, job availability, amenities, and diversity. The city offers a tight-knit community feel while still providing various cultural and social amenities. It is also recognized for its safety and educational opportunities, which contribute to its livability. And what is your personal opinion about living in Sahuarita? Please leave it in the comments.